Hi there. I just thought I'd create this quick video in relation to Streamer TV, a decentralized live streaming platform that is powered by the cryptocurrency or token data on Binance. So essentially, Streamer TV have built a decentralized way of hosting live streams online. You don't even need to sign up. Literally, no app, no setup, just share a link. So, in order to start a live stream, all you do is go to stv.streamer.network and click Start Broadcast. And then what you do here uh, is select Broadcast and go live. There I am. So once you go live, you'll then be able to take this link and share it on social media wherever you like. So once someone accesses that link, they'd then be able to see the live stream. So if I go into an incognito window and just share that link, so this is what the user would see. There's a slight delay on this live stream now, so this is a live stream. Anyone can access this and start viewing the live stream wherever you share the link. And they can start tipping you via your cryptocurrency wallets or anything else. Now, Streamer TV are starting to build out this platform, and they're starting to add more advanced functionality such as tipping, recording, and that side of things as well. And the beauty of it is it's all hosted by nodes that are powering the network, and those nodes are rewarded with data, the token that's listed on Binance. So $ data. If we go to Binance and search data, this is the currency in question. So to give you a little bit of insight as well, the current market cap is $19 million. In my opinion, that is extremely undervalued at the moment, and I highly recommend just doing your own research on the platform. But I strongly feel like there's a huge opportunity here. So yeah, thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to set up a live stream. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to pop them in the comments. Thank you. Bye.